Hey there, builders and creators. Today, we're diving into the world of integrated development environments, or IDEs for short. Think of them as super workshops for writing computer programs. Now you might be thinking, Adam, workshops sound messy. But trust me, a good IDE keeps your coding projects organized and efficient. Whether you're just starting your coding journey or you've already built a few apps, understanding IDEs can seriously level up your game. Just like a well-organized workshop makes building projects easier, an IDE provides all the tools and space you need to write, test, and refine your code. So are you ready to explore the exciting world of IDEs? Let's get started. Imagine trying to build a birdhouse with just a hammer and nails. Tough, right? You'd need a saw, a screwdriver, maybe even some sandpaper. That's where IDEs come in for coding. An IDE is like a toolbox specifically designed for programmers. It combines all the essential tools you need to write, test, and debug your code in one convenient place. No more switching between different programs. An IDE keeps everything organized and streamlined. Instead of hunting for separate tools, you have everything at your fingertips. This makes writing code faster, more efficient, and a whole lot more enjoyable. Let's open up this IDE toolbox and see what's inside. One of the most important tools is the code editor. This is where you'll spend most of your time actually writing your code. Think of it as a super-powered text editor that understands your code. It highlights keywords, checks for errors as you type, and even helps you format your code neatly. Next up, we have the compiler or interpreter. This tool translates your human-readable code into instructions that the computer can understand. No more miscommunication with your computer. The compiler interpreter ensures your code is ready to run. And let's not forget about the debugger. Even the best coders make mistakes. The debugger helps you find and fix errors in your code. Section 4. Popular IDEs and their uses. Just like there are different types of workshops for different projects, there are tons of IDEs out there. Each one has its own strengths and specialities. Let's look at a few popular ones. Visual Studio. This powerful IDE is like a giant workshop for building all sorts of applications, especially for Windows. Notepad++. This lightweight IDE is like a handy toolbox for quick code edits and web development. Visual Studio Code. This versatile IDE is like a well-stocked workshop that's perfect for a wide range of programming languages and projects. PyCharm. If you're into Python, this IDE is like a specialized workshop with all the tools you need for data science and machine learning. IntelliJ IDEA. This robust IDE is like a high-tech workshop designed for building complex Java applications. Section 5. Choosing the right IDE for you. So how do you pick the perfect IDE for your needs? It's like choosing the right workshop. Consider the project you're working on and the tools you'll need. First, think about the programming languages you'll be using. Some IDEs are better suited for certain languages than others. Next, consider the complexity of your project. For smaller projects, a lightweight IDE like Notepad++ might be enough. But for larger projects, you might want a more feature-rich IDE like Visual Studio or IntelliJ IDEA. Don't be afraid to try out different IDEs and see which one feels most comfortable for you. Remember, the best IDE is the one that helps you code more efficiently and enjoyably. Section 6. IDEs, your coding companions. Just like a trusty toolbox makes any building project easier, IDEs are essential companions for programmers of all levels. They provide an organized, efficient environment for writing, testing, and debugging code, making the entire software development process smoother and more enjoyable. So, whether you're building the next big app or just starting to explore the world of coding, embrace the power of IDEs. They're your key to unlocking a world of creativity and innovation in the digital realm. Now go out there, build something amazing, and remember, have fun. What are some of your favorite IDEs and features? Share your experiences in the comments below.